Hi guys, my name is Andres Urrea, I'm from Bogota, Colombia, and on this week assignment I'll be talking about automation and buses. I'm using Cubase 5 as my DAW, and I'll be showing you a couple of examples and how to do these two things. So, let's do it. Okay, so in this song I got three group tracks, as they are called in Cubase. One for acoustics, one for echoes, and one is my rhythm bass. And acoustics is basically two acoustic guitars that I record, and rhythm bass is my rhythm guitar tracks and my bass and my drums. So the output of the acoustic guitar is going to the group acoustics. This is the other one. And I've got two electric guitars record, those two. This is the bass track, and the drum track I'm gonna be showing you now is this one. This is pointing to rhythm bass 2. And well, that's it for the rhythm tracks. I'm gonna be showing you some automation that I did on those later. Okay, so my group tracks are inside this folder, and I'm going to show you how to create a group track. Just go and right click in this area and look for add group channel track right here. And I want my group tracks to be in stereo. This is in a stereo mix, and you hit OK. And their new group track should be done now. Okay, this is the one. And I don't really want it, so I'm gonna delete it. Okay, now I'm going to show you some automation that I did in this song, and was basically some on-off volume thing, and it was done on those two tracks. Those two mute buttons were automated, and a fader right here. So the fader is going to the volume that I actually wanted, and that will be done in a second. There it goes, and this is a track just for that shimmer effect that you're hearing. And now at the end of this, that fader is going to go down, and the mute buttons, yeah, those two, they're on. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so you can select anything on this down that you want to automate, and mute button is actually in the more section. You click here, more, there's mute right there. And what I did basically was to select the exact range with the pencil tool. So they're on most of the time. Those are my off points, and those are my on points. Okay, now for the other automation that I did was actually that shimmer effect that you hear, and you can basically select anything from a plugin or any parameter that you want to do. And this is the volume, the fader volume, automation for that fader. And a way to do that automation is actually to select the right enable button and then go play and move it manually. And that one I did it that way. I didn't use the pencil tool. I did the kind of a read write enable record, and that shimmer effect I did it basically the same way, but I was playing with basically a knob from an effect on this plugin. Sorry, wrong track. This is the track, and that's Guitar Rig, and I selected this knob right here. I assigned it to there, and I basically play with that knob And those are the movements that I did, and this is how I went. And basically just playing with the knob, it ended up getting a good sound, so I let it. Okay, now I'm going to show you another automation that I did on the group tracks. These right here are fader automation on the volume settings, and I'm going to show you the automation, how actually the fader behaves with that. Okay, check out the rhythm based automation and the fader going down, and that's basically how it works. I draw that with a pencil and ended up where I wanted. And there's another one for the acoustics track. Check that fader right there, and it's going down. Okay guys, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed the example as well as the song. And as you may notice, English isn't my native language, so please bear with me. And thank you. Goodbye.